And we've got breaking news coming in Telangana, where the Prime Minister has been on the campaign trail. The Prime Minister has invoked RRR, the famous film RRR, in the state of Telangana. The Prime Minister has slammed the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy with an RR tax jibe. Here's what he said. Take a look at what he said.
तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने भारत को ट्रिपल आर जैसी सुपरहिट फिल्म दी। लेकिन आज तेलंगाना कांग्रेस ने राज्य के लोगों को डबल आर टैक्स दे दिया है। ट्रिपल आर फिल्म ने पूरी दुनिया में भारत का नाम रोशन किया, लेकिन ये डबल आर टैक्स भारत के लिए शर्मिंदगी बढ़ा रहा है। इस डबल आर टैक्स की तेलंगाना में हर तरफ चर्चा है। कांग्रेस कहीं भी हो, उसकी पॉलिटिक्स के 5 निशान होते हैं, उसके पंजे जैसे 5 निशान हैं। पहला, झूठे नारे, झूठे वादे। दूसरा, वोट बैंक की राजनीति। तीसरा, माफियाओं, अपराधियों को बढ़ावा। चौथा, परिवारवाद। और 5वां, करप्शन। इन 5 निशानों से मिलकर कांग्रेस का पंजा बनता है। अब तेलंगाना में भी लोग कांग्रेस के इस पंजे को महसूस कर रहे हैं।
Well, Telangana clearly is a very filmy state. No wonder RRR cropping up there. Meanwhile, moving on from Telangana to Uttar Pradesh, where senior Congress leader and former Union Minister Salman Khurshid's niece is in the headlines. She's a Samajwadi Party neta named Maria Alam Khan. Well, she's triggered a big row with a speech she made in her family pocket borough of Farrukhabad. While campaigning for the Samajwadi Party candidate in that constituency of UP, Maria Alam Khan asked people present to indulge in vote jihad. Now, vote jihad has gone viral and become a big flashpoint. Maria Alam Khan's comment has drawn sharp reactions from the BJP, saying that she got radicalized by her uncle and Congress leader Salman Khurshid. Take a look at the full story. This is Maria Alam, niece of veteran Congress leader and former Union Law Minister Salman Khurshid. At an election rally campaigning for the Samajwadi Party in Farrukhabad, she urges Muslims to vote smartly and silently without getting emotional to oust what she described as a Sanghi government.
बहुत अकलमंदी के साथ, बहुत जज्बाती ना होके, बहुत खामोशी के साथ, एक साथ होके वोटों का जिहाद करो, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ वोटों का जिहाद कर सकते हैं और इस संघी सरकार को भगाने का काम कर सकते हैं.
She also calls for a social boycott of Muslims who support the BJP candidate Mukesh Rajput.
बहुत शर्म आती है जब मैंने आज ये सुना कि कुछ मुसलमानों ने आज यहाँ पर बैठ के मुकेश राजपूत की मीटिंग कराई. मुझे लगता है समाज से उनका हुक्का पानी बंद कर देना चाहिए. इतने मतलबी मत बनो कि बच्चों की जिंदगियों से खेलो.
The BJP has come out all guns blazing, attacking the opposition India Alliance for politics of polarization.
फर्रुखाबाद में कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता सलमान खुर्शीद के परिजन आज वोट जिहाद की बात कर रहे हैं. मुसलमानों के हुक्का पानी बंद करने की बात कर रहे हैं जो भाजपा के पक्ष में जाएंगे। ये पूरी तरह से ध्रुवीकरण है। निर्वाचन आयोग को इसका संज्ञान लेना चाहिए और ऐसे लोगों को चुनाव में पराजित करके सही मायने में मजा चखाना चाहिए जो समाज को हर तरह से बांटने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं।
The BJP has repeatedly accused the Congress of blatant vote bank politics in the 2024 election. Prime Minister Modi has accused the Congress of taking away SC, ST and OBC quota and giving a slice of it to Muslims for votes.
कांग्रेस ने संविधान बदलने, SC, ST, OBC का हक छीनने का अभियान शुरू किया है। OBC रिजर्वेशन का हिस्सा मुस्लिमों को दे दिया है। ये इतने से भी नहीं मानेंगे। इन्होंने पहले भी अपने मैनिफेस्टो में धर्म के आधार पर रिजर्वेशन देने के लिए कानून बनाने की बात कही।
In the run-up to the remaining 5 phases of elections, the term vote jihad has given the BJP another stick to target the opposition alliance with. Bureau Report, India Today. And as you can probably imagine, in this heated atmosphere of the elections, an FIR has been registered against Samajwadi Party leader Maria Alam Khan for calling for a vote jihad. The Samajwadi Party candidate from Farrukhabad, who she was campaigning for, is where she made this speech, that controversial speech calling for vote jihad. Salman Khurshid, former Union Minister, Congress Party, his name has also been mentioned in the FIR, an FIR against Salman Khurshid as well, though it is not clear why her uncle's name has been included in the FIR. Abhishek Mishra is with me live on this. Abhishek, vote jihad hitting the headlines, courtesy Maria Alam Khan of the Samajwadi Party. FIR registered against her. Why has Salman Khurshid's name also been put into the FIR? What's going on?
Well, absolutely, FIR has been registered against Maria Alam Khan, and that also includes the name of Salman Khurshid. Although the police has not, the magistrate who has given this, complaint has not yet confirmed about his name, maybe because of the connections he has and also how he has been also politically active there. But it has raised a lot of questions over the fact that how the opposition parties are, taking this narrative in this elections of vote jihad, which is something very bizarre at the moment, because we've certainly seen how there's already been a lot of discussions over, getting this election on the communal lines, impliedly, but straight away asking for the voters, to vote in a certain way, to boycott the community voters who voted for the BJP. That is something which is, creating a lot of buzz. The BJP has also reacted to it, and now the action also has been taken with an FIR, which has been registered in Farrukhabad against Maria, who openly, appealed to the voters in her constituency where she was campaigning as a vice president of the district, and that has been taken now. Yes.
Okay, and in this current situation where vote jihad, is a phrase that has been used by Maria Alam Khan, what kind of consequences could she possibly face with this FIR now, Abhishek?
Well, certainly she will have to face some severe consequences. There could be a possibility she might be banned for any kind of campaigning. She might also be, penalized with any kind of, at the same time, that remains to be seen. But, more than that, it is very objectionable politically that how such an appeal has been made. We've also seen, in the last elections, several leaders also were making some open appeals to the voters to vote on the basis of religion. Mayawati, you remember in 2019, she had a notice also by the Election Commission for making that appeal in a public rally. But here, it is something which is crossing the line, vote jihad, which is highly objectionable, and that is why this FIR has been registered. Yes.
All right, Abhishek, keep tracking that story. Thanks very much for joining us with that input.